Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download the Hamster Kombat app onto your phone. For this, you will need to use Telegram, so download that first and then sign in. I already have Telegram, so I'm just going to go in there. And then you want to go onto the official Hamster Kombat bot. You can search it up by going here, just searching Hamster Kombat, just like that. It'll show up here. Make sure it's this one, the one with the check mark. And then just type in /start first, and then it'll show this menu, and then just play in one click. Click that, start. Sorry. And now the Hamster Kombat app will be launched on your phone. As you can see here, it's still loading, but it works just like this. Now you can click and play. There you go.